What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video and to the channel. I'm at the elevator right now heading to the garage, but we're going to be installing a very familiar part into the B58. Let's get to it. Alright guys, welcome. So right off the back, first off, I gotta take off my keys. Obviously, you know, keys representing all the way. So let's go ahead and open up our box to see what is inside of here. You need my keys. Alright. So I did make a whole video out of this installation on my F30, which should be the same concept here. Oh, look at that! Another Kies decal, guys. You can never have enough. Cool. So here we have the mount. Okay, it seems pretty self-explanatory. More Kies decals. I mean, hey guys, you can never have enough stickers, right? Cool. So first off, what we have to do, from what I remember building my the one on my F30, is that we have to put it all together first before we get to the actual installation. So let's go ahead and do that first. Here we go. So this is the actual mount. Sorry. Dash mount, right? So it's gonna live approximately right here, right? Something like that. And the phone's gonna be right here. Perfect. So if you guys remember, I just hate not having my phone, like it usually lives like right here. Like I usually put my phone like between the e-brake and the console, and that's the way that I've done it. And it's honestly not the best. So I love the fact I missed having my phone here, especially when like you're on boot mode, right? And you're data logging. That kind of stuff is pretty important to you to see that the data is and all that stuff, and it's really sturdy. So if I wanted to be an idiot and like punch it sometimes, hey, you can do that. All right, let's get this thing rolling. So first off, from what I remember, you got to put this ball in, right? So you see this right here? There's a little screw that comes off the bottom end of it. Don't lose that little squiggly stuff. It just secures the ball properly. So since it's gonna live like this, you're gonna have to come in through the back end. Yep, like that. Yep. Don't do that. And then yep, just screw it in. Pretty simple stuff. You can tighten it once you get the tools. I have the tools on top. I'll show you in a bit. And then yeah, you just pop this in basically. Yep, just like that. And then you can secure it. Essentially, guys, it's gonna be like that. So sick. I'm so excited for this. So excited. So yes, let's get to the install, yeah? So let's remove all of our important stuff, right? Sunglasses, beard comb, because hey, gotta carry a beard comb. All right, let's get the tools. You will need a T20 and a trim tool, because you will have to remove part of the dash to get to a bolt that lives right here. So first, let's see what the F36 and F32s hold as far as bolt patterns on this thing. Okay, so we got the proper trim tools. If you want to get some trim tools for your car, look, I highly recommend it, especially if you're gonna be doing installs like this, or if you want to remove the speakers. I mean, these trim tools are efficient. I bought a whole kit. If you want to get one, go to the link in my description, and I have it all hooked up where you can just order it through Amazon. So yeah, so first off, we're gonna remove this bottom part right here, right? So it's pretty simple. In fact, you can just do it with your hands at one point, but yeah, you can just go down here and pry it out. Yep, very simple. There you go. Keep all the cables there. So I can already see one bolt over here, so I think the other one's gonna be on this trim piece, which is gonna be fun. So let's see if we can just sneak in and see what that looks like. It should be an easy thing to remove. Let's see, how did I do it? I believe you can just like, do some of this. In fact, I didn't even need a trim tool. That's fun. There you go. Look at that. Yep, you didn't even have to remove it. It's hilarious. Yep, and I can already see the other bolt right there, which I really don't need to do much to it, so yes. Let's get our T20. I'm gonna start on top, and in fact, I'm gonna put this. So what I like to do is use painter's tape so I don't have to unplug the vents or any of the lights. I'm basically gonna use it to tie it against the dash, tape it against the dash, something like that, and something like that. Yep, once you do it, it gives you access to the bolt, which is simple. So essentially, guys, this will live like this, right? Underneath that whole thing, and it's gonna stick out like that, which is amazing. So I'm gonna tighten this bolt up pretty good because it's gonna be a pain to remove it. And this one doesn't really matter how tight you go. I assume that it's a T20 as well. No, it's not. It's probably small. It's totally fine. Okay, I think that's good enough. Yeah, dope. Okay, let's go ahead and remove these T20s. Again, guys, I have a whole in-depth video on my F30, same process, literally. I just did a refresher so I can find out which T Torx, well, T is for the Torx, which Torx bits I had to use. Cool, so now that I have that, all I have to do is just open it up a little bit, slide this thing across. Okay, let me get more light. I should have done that from the beginning. Sorry guys, I didn't give you much lighting. Then your last piece, which goes right here. Boom. And just tighten it up. Yep, that's it, guys. Look at that. Let's put this thing back. Little hits won't do any harm. Yeah, look at that. Guys, I'm telling you, such an easy install. And moment of truth, I already had one because of my last car. Boom! Look at that. This just, gosh, it just works, guys. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, yeah, drop a comment below. What I've been doing lately is answering your comments through a live form video. So if you want to get your comment as a shout out, obviously, if you're a troll, I'm just gonna call you out as it is. But yeah, guys, so I hope that this brought you some value. I mean, gosh, it seems really sturdy as it is, and it's just so cool. So I'm excited for this. Kies Motorsports, thank you so much. Go get yourself one of these Rennline phone mounts from Kies Motorsports. Mention you saw this video, and I'm sure they can help you out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like to give you a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you soon. I'll see you.